Welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a Christmas cake covered in fondant, 2 tiers. I'm super excited about this. Let's get started.
I decided to make this cake half cake and half cake dummy. So this is pumpkin spice cake and cream cheese frosting. I frosted the cake and set it aside. Then I frosted the cake dummy. I rolled out white fondant and covered both tiers with it. I smoothed it on with my hands and cut off the excess with a knife. Then I stacked my real cake on top of the cake dummy. Then I rolled out some red fondant and used a gingerbread man cutter to cut out some red gingerbread men. Then I stuck them onto the bottom tier with edible glue. Then I rolled out some green marzipan, and after my 3-year-old got a green snowman, used a small tree cutter to cut out some Christmas trees and stuck them around the top tier. I also cut out a handful of small holly leaves. I first put them in pairs between the red gingerbread men around the bottom tier. I also placed 3 holly leaves on the top of the cake. Then I rolled a bunch of small red balls and placed them at the base of the holly leaves to be holly berries. Then I placed 2 red balls on each of the trees. I rolled out some yellow fondant and cut out some small stars with a plunger cutter. And place them on top of the trees. Then I cut out a couple of yellow strips and place them on the trees to be garlands. I cut out a few more stars and place them around the bottom tier. Finally, I rolled out some white fondant and used a snowflake plunger cutter to cut out some small snowflakes and place them around the top of the top tier. I am in love with this cake. It's adorable and very festive. Merry Christmas! For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we've uploaded a new video.